On Tuesday, Government of India said in Lok Sabha that as compared to 2010, now Naxalite violence have reduced by more than 70% and attack on police forces and armed forces have also declined by more than 90%. Hello and Jai Hind everyone. Today my lecture topic is Naxalism in India. Friends, as we know, Naxalism is the biggest threat as a national security integrity for India, and Naxalism derives its name from Naxalbari village in West Bengal, and it was started as a rebellion group, uh, and it was rebelled against the landlords in West Bengal, and under the leadership of Sanyal and Santhal. And after that, it was spread in all over West Bengal, some least developed state like Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Jharkhand, Bihar, some northeastern state of India. And it is also considered that Naxals supports the ideology of Maoist, and it was also supported by Maoist politicians. Friends, now let's talk what are the main reason to rise the Naxalism in India. So first is after the Forest Act, and it after that act, many people of the tribal communities were displaced from their land, and many infrastructure project, some mine project were established over there. So many people got dissatisfaction from that. Second, less development in the tribal areas like in West Bengal, Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and northeastern state. From They were not in mainstream just like the other part of the India. Third, government of a state many time consider that Naxalism is the problem of central government, and both have not good cooperation in this field. And last but not least, many times government just understand that if the number of attack got reduced, Naxalism got reduced, but they do not focus on the development projects in the Naxalism affected area. Now let's talk some steps by the government. So in 2010, government started some rehabilitation project, as well as they have deployed many security forces and reduced uh, Naxalism affected area. And the result today that Naxalism has decreased by 70% and attack decreased by 90%. Friends, if I talk about some new steps, like police can take hard action because the armed forces CRPF have not much familiar about that particular zone. So police can also understand the Naxalites. And some other steps like the peace talks should be happen with Naxalism, because they are also Indians. They have the government of India can understand, and then they can provide employment, good healthcare facilities, job opportunities, education for their children, and they can also be in the mainstream of the India. And sometimes the government of India also takes some hard action, because many times they attack on security forces, and many security forces got their life lost their life. Friends, in my conclusion, today they are also part of the India. They are the citizen of India. If they uh, are not satisfied, then government try to understand what are the reason, and after that they can give all the development projects to the Naxalites affected area, and then they will definitely can also help the nation building. Thank you.